Well, it's March here in Michigan, and right here, you can kind of see it. It's a dead, old marigold plant. And if you look, and if you find any, like the blossoms from last year, if you find these, you might get lucky and you might get some seeds out of it. Wasn't really a good one. Let me find a good one. Okay, here we go. Here's a good one. Take this guy. You go around and you find all your marigolds where you planted them the year before. They'll be dead unless you ripped them out. Once you collect a bunch of these, over here we got another one. Oh, there's a couple over here. Okay. You get them, and you can actually grow your own marigolds from your own seeds that you harvested. And then you can you just take all the little top heads and those should be pretty dry. There's a good one. Oh, that's a little wet. Probably won't work. They gotta be really dry, dried out. And yeah, you just bust these open. I'll show you how to do that in a sec. So when you open these up, you take this little part off. You got all these little teeny tiny seeds. Not really teeny tiny, but each of these ones that are black, bust all these open. And each of those are seeds. And the ones with the black on the end of them, you'll be able to plant those. You can just simply go sprinkle them in the yard. You can take the time and plant them inside. Whatever you want to do with them, but they're yours. And you grew them. And they are your marigold seeds. Boom, bada boom. So another helpful tip. If I like your blooms, get your marigold seeds from last year. Don't leave them hanging. Boom. Have a good day.